$30. Steve Madden. This is cute. Do you like this one? 25. $25 by Steve Madden. 130 Kate Spade. $35 for this one by Steve Madden. Rust colored orange and brown. Steve Madden. Top handle. Get a change. They also have this one in burgundy, just like the green one I showed. Here's burgundy, and here's the charms. Which one do you like best? $30. 30 for this one by Steve Madden. Suede. And they also have it in the green. Change bag. Here's the other side, and this one's also 30. Here's a smaller version of this Steve Madden bag I showed. This was 30. And here's the one in blue. Here's the back. This was 35. Steve Madden. And they also have it in brown for 30. And I see a black one back here. They also have blue. 17 for this one. Mama. Bessie Johnson, of course. 17. Wine and grape. $20 for this handbag charm. $15 bag charm keychain by Piper K. $17 for this bag charm by Piper K. $17 for this one. $20 for the bag charm. 20. Look how beautiful this one is. 17 for this one. Look at the necklace right there. See that? $10 for the bottle stoppers. $30 for this one. 30. Says try me. Let's see. This is your Transylvania weatherman. Vampire 10 for that one. And they have a host of Halloween here at TJ Maxx. $13 for that one. Spooky. 25 for this set. 25.